is Wednesday, April 28th, and we are all packed up and ready to go. So our big day, lots of, I think lots of ups and downs, but we're heading to Clingmans and then a little past that. All right, ladies, we will see you at Clingmans.
Yes, yes.
All right.
Yes.
Have a great hike.
Have a good hike,
All right.
ladies.
7:46 in the morning. Seilerbald is 5.9 away. Clingman is 10.2. And the shelter, Mount Collins, is 13 something. It's actually about a half mile off trail. But that's the only place we could really go unless we cut it short today. So that's the goal. We'll see if we make it. Here we go. Wildflowers leading the pack, setting the pace for us. She's a pretty good pace setter. Forgot to mention, somebody said they saw a bear about a half mile from here. And yesterday we were at a shelter and they said wild boars had came early in the morning hours. So we got some wild animals out here somewhere. This is a bird that's been going. I heard a wild turkey early. All right, 2.9 to Silers. Clingmans Dome is 7.4. We did have a long uphill. I was sweating my butt off. Now I'm chilly. Stopping for a quick break. It's 9:35. Been going almost 2 hours. Lisa's tearing up this trail this morning. Going up some of these hills, it's like she's probably putting us at a 2-mile-an-hour pace. So she's kicking it this morning. Temperatures in the low 50s. First time the sun's starting to peek out. Looks like a heart. Thinking about you, Vito. These are pretty cool. They've been along the trail. We've been walking along a ridge, but it is a lot of ups and downs. It's 10:40. We made it to Seilerbald shelter. This feels damp in here. Oh, this is the shelter. That's the view behind us. We are almost at the top of Seilersbald. Lots of uphills today. We're at the top. Seilersbald, over 5,500. How you guys doing?
That was nice.
Oh, that's a big mountain over there. .3, Clingmans Dome. This is the view until we probably get to Clingmans. This is the view off the other side. You can see the clouds. It's supposed to rain tomorrow night. Look at all the spring flowers. So pretty. So this is the first. We're in pine. We haven't seen this yet. Now that's a nice looking campsite. Pine needles on the bottom. Wow. Made it to Double Spring Gap Shelter. I think it's 10:45. We're gonna go ahead and stop here and get some water, of course, before we go uphill, but the water sources along this trail are limited, and this is the last one before our shelter. So we're gonna make sure we got some water. This is the inside of the shelter. Looks similar to the others. So we decided to stop for our snack. It's 11:45 earlier instead of 10:45, like I said. I missed an hour somewhere. So let's see what everybody's got. What do you have?
Peanut butter and honey on a flour tortilla.
All
Yum,
right.
yum.
And you got some snacks in here, some banana chips and nuts.
Trail
and,
mix,
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, and Terry?
I've already eaten my tuna wrap with 2 mayos.
All right.
Live large.
Yeah. And you got some
And then
cheese.
I got some cheese, and then I got M&Ms and cheese and crackers, and
Yeah.
I'm gonna get some peanut sauce.
All right, and I'm having my jerky, cheese, crackers, and that's my lunch. It'll be peanut butter tonight. All right, this is our 2.5 mile climb starting to get up the Clingmans. It's 12:25. We had a nice break for lunch, and we're gonna get up this mountain.
What did you have for lunch, Betty?
Look at all this moss. It's everywhere. We're getting a couple of views. A little bit of fog. All right.
A mile? All right.
3/10 to the tower. 3/10 up, I think. All right.
Must have been a down before the last up.
We dropped our packs down there. Gonna finish the walk without it. Are you excited to get to the top?
I am very excited. Highest
You-
peak in the whole Appalachian Trail.
Yes.
This is very exciting.
And you led the way the whole way today.
Oh my gosh, did I?
Yes, you did. You were doing great.
Oh, look at how they have me walk up. It's a holy man.
Did you get my message?
Not yet.
Then my service went out, so I couldn't get any response anyway. So
200 miles. I got my 200 from Springer. I don't know if I'll get a view. That fog is hanging around, but I'm heading up. We made it. Clingmans Dome. Dan was here probably 45 minutes before us. So I feel pretty good about today. Lisa did great leading us. Into the fog I go. Well, if we could see. Cheetah we did, snowbird, shuck stick, Thunder Mountain. Made it to the top. We lucked out with the weather. It cleared up here, and the wind, there is none. So this is fantastic. I am so happy. We are right by a road. All right. 0.5. We're doing it. Off trail. Here we go. Dan's leading the way.
A nice spot.
Yeah. So we made it to camp a little later than normal. We were waiting for Snow White up at Clingmans Dome, but she never showed, so we left at 3:45. So Lisa's over here in a little spot. How's your spot?
I just barely fit, but I got a spot.
Oh, look at this. You got a little clothesline.
I got a little clothesline.
Nice. And then Dan's over here. He's getting set up. And Dan found the water source. Woo-hoo! Everybody said it was dry. We were a little concerned. Just wanted to do a wrap up for today. We just got word that Snow White and Snapper and Mary Kay are at the last shelter before Clingmans Dome, and they may be trying to get out tomorrow from Clingmans Dome down to Gaitlinburg. So I don't know if we'll be able to meet up with them or help them with a ride tomorrow, so we'll see. We're all set up. We're ready to go to bed. It was a late night getting in here. No, we did wait a little while up at Clingmans to see if Snow White would show up. So anyway, we're going to make our way 5.2 miles tomorrow, and then we're going to get into Gaitlinburg, spend the night. Hopefully we can find a laundry facility and then a resupply for the next 3 or 4 days. And then I have to say goodbye to Terry and Lisa. I have to say they were troopers, real troopers. These guys, they were making me work, getting up some of those hills. So it's been a joy having both of those guys here. I've enjoyed it, and I'm going to be sad when they leave.